Good afternoon, everybody. This is Doug at Jammin J Auto and Tire, and what you're looking at right there is a cylinder head off a 4-cylinder Honda engine. And what we're going to talk about today is what happens when we overheat a vehicle. What I want you to look at, if you notice, this is a big old hunk of aluminum, and this surface right here is machined very flat and smooth. And so literally what that happens is with this cylinder is it gets bolted to the top of an engine. In order to get this off, we got to take all kinds of stuff off the car, exhaust, alternator, things like that. And eventually what we're going to do is get over here to this engine. And if you notice, there's 4 cylinders. This is what actually produces the power for your car. And I'm going to remove this gasket out of the way and show you another very smooth machine surface. So this machine surface gets this gasket put on there, and then that cylinder head gets laid on top of here, and the bolts will go in right through these holes and they will get torqued down, and that is what holds the compression in your vehicle. The problem is when these engines get heated up, well, this cylinder head over here on the table, what they will do is they will warp, or they can even crack, and this will cause engines to do crazy things. They'll run hot, they'll put antifreeze in the exhaust, they'll kick on check engine lights, they won't run well. Very crazy stuff can happen when these cars have cylinder heads that are warped and things like that. So anyway, if you ever drive in your car and you see it overheating, shut it off and pull over, because you can do engine damage and it can happen very quickly.